Hi students, it's Miss B. Today we are going to be creating music with an electronic mixer. Open any browser and in the search bar or address bar type Drumbit, Drumbit.app, and it will take you to this drum kit right here. Now there's a bunch of features in this, so I'm going to have to go a little bit fast. Here you're going to have the tempo. And if I take my medium tom here and make a pattern really quick, you can hear the differences in the tempo. This is at the default 80 beats per minute. If we slow it down to about, let's go with 60 beats per minute. And if we go really fast, so you can kind of see that the pattern does not change. It is tom, rest, tom, rest, tom, rest, but the speed makes a completely different sound. Right now we are on drum kit 1. This will get you several different sounds. Let's see what house music sounds like. Now it's percussion 1. It's no longer that particular drum. Pretty cool. You could play around with it a little bit. Some of these are really funny sounding. You can also play around with the effects. There's a difference between no effect, and if we go with large hall, you get that little echoing sound. You can also compress. You can kind of see how that makes a difference in the sound. Over here is the volume of each of the instruments and the pitch. Remember, the pitch is how high or low. The fun thing about this particular drum machine is that you can change the pitch of a drum, and that's not something you can normally do with most drums. So play around with it a little bit. You can even go ahead and look at some demos. Notice that in the demos, there is definitely a pattern to it that repeats. I went ahead and mixed something up earlier, and I decided I was going to use all the instruments. Let's hear what that sounds like. I went with that house music. Play around with it a little bit. Play with all the little different buttons and see what you can create. And if you find that you absolutely love what you have created, you can go ahead and record it. And it will save it. You can also try just saving this file right here. Either way should work. And you can open them later if you want to look at what you have created, and that should be in your downloads folder. And that's right here, something I saved the other day. Play around with it, record it, and see what you can make. And the most important thing, of course, in music is have fun. Bye.